Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans. It's Saturday morning. We're gonna do a cash stuffing today for my mom, aka Gramzee's budget for her bills and sinking funds for the month of July. So let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so today we're stuffing $1,307. So we're just going to do a little quick cash count here to make sure we have that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. Yeah, 1,100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 1,300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, we do have the right amount. So we're just going to get this set up real quick and then we'll get started. So today we're gonna do cash stuffing for bills for the month of July, and then we are also going to stuff sinking funds for the month of July. So we're stuffing bills for the month of August and sinking funds for the month of July. Yeah, okay, that's what I wanted to say. All right, so let's see how much we are stuffing for renter's insurance, and let me get my cheat sheet real quick. Okay, so we are going to be stuffing $6 for renter's insurance, and that's a 5 and a 1. So, and we are stuffing for next year's renter's insurance because this year's renter's insurance is already paid. So let's see. 5 and 1. So now we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, which is correct. We're stuffing car insurance, $108. And that is going to be a 100, a 5, and 3, 1, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 6, 30, 6, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 648, which is correct. I don't know what is up with this one. Okay. Car registration, we are stuffing $14 this month. That is a 10. All right, so that is 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So that is $85. Copays, we are stuffing $20, and that is 120. So now we have $45. Medicines, we are stuffing $1, and there's nothing in there now. For gifts, we are stuffing $25, and that is going to be a 20 and a 5. So now we have 20, 40, 65, 66, 67 in gifts. For printer ink, we are not stuffing anything for our Google, but we'll do a quick cash count. Let's just verify what we have. We have 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. $34, which is correct. And we're not stuffing this one, you guys, because she doesn't have it this month. We don't have really a whole lot extra at all to do some of these sinking funds. So this month we're having to just kind of skip over them because she doesn't have it. Google One, we are stuffing $3. 1, 2, so it should have been $3. Maybe we stuffed car registration too much. Let's see. Did y'all not tell me that I stuffed an extra $1 in here? 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Yep, there's my $1. How did I miscount that? Y'all guys didn't tell me that. You're supposed to be my friends. Okay, so we're at Google One. So now we have the 3. So it should be 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, which is correct. 24. And we'll do the trackers offline. Software, which is the McAfee. She already, what did she put in there? She has $2 left over because she did buy the software. She wanted to buy the virus protection to protect her computer. So she did that. So for rent, we're doing $880 now because it went up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 50, 70, 80. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 70, 80. So now we have 880. Utilities, we are doing 125, and that is going to be 120 and a 5. So now we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 85, 86. So we have 186. Electric, we are stuffing 75, and that is going to be a 50, a 20, and a 5. A 50, a 20, and a 5. So we're doing 100, 120, 40, 60, 80, 95, 90, 95, what was it? 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 190, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 207 is what she should have, and that's what she has. And then we are stuffing internet, and that is $50, and it doesn't have anything in there now. And we are not stuffing car wash because you guys, she doesn't have it. So she'll be canceling that for right now so that it doesn't come out because she doesn't have it. And that is all of our sinking funds and bills for August. Today, that was a total of $1,307 that we stuffed. So stay tuned for the next video, which should be our July paycheck number 2 check-in for the week. All right, bye guys.